Let me tell you a sad story about our camper table. It had this really pretty brown Formica stuff on it, which was starting to peel off after our 8-month trip. So Kurt did the peeling. He peeled it all off. And then he started with this primer. And then next we're going to put this brown stone texture on it. And then we'll see, we'll end up with lacquer, but this is the start. All right, everyone. So you can see it's kind of like brown and gray flecks in there. Kurt just sprayed it. We're going to let it dry, and then we'll come and see it after it's dried. All right, I don't know if you can tell, but Kurt got the shiny coat on the table, and it just looks amazing. Look at that, it's drying. And after it dries, we'll put it back in the camper. Let's take a look at Kurt's garden. What do we got? Well, these poor potato plants. The deer have been eating every darn leaf off of the potato plants, but
and then they stomped all over my onions.
Oh my gosh, they did. They stomped all over the onions. But they're growing pretty good. Look, I can see some of them like coming up from the ground there. Pretty nice size. They're still growing. My rhubarb plant. We always get so much. I already harvested half of this rhubarb plant. It's going pretty good. What do we got over here? Squash. Yellow squash, I think. Oh, we got some little babies on there. They're growing. Oh, this one's a big one.
Look on the corner.
Look at that. Oh, yeah. We got a lot of leaves on this.
There's a little squash growing right in the corner.
Look at the little squash growing there. Oh, yeah, he's a little baby one right there. What's this? What are you growing here?
Squash.
Oh, some more squash.
This is butternut here. I think that's acorn squash.
Oh, okay. Yeah, that looks like yellow butternut coming up. Yeah, I don't really see anything, but something's eating on these ones too. Look, you can see they're eating all of that. They're taking little bites right off of it. Stinky old deer. Alright, so this is the start of this next part of the fence that Kurt's got going on. This is like a really long piece. Look at our walnut tree, it's huge. Anyway, Kurt's got to do that all the way down to the corner of the property there. And then the back side we haven't done yet. There's our little chicken house that we haven't used in a while because you can't have chickens while you're going to Yuma every winter. Then, as you can see, that piece of the fence, Kurt did a new piece, you can see, because it's still standing, but the old stuff is falling down over there, so that'll be the last section that he's going to do in the backyard. My grass is getting crispy. This is all horseradish right here. It's growing like a weed, comes back every year. And then my asparagus bed. The asparagus is done. I've harvested most of it this year, but now these nasty stickers have moved in. I hate them. Anyway, I need to get to weeding that.